What's up guys, Jeremy here, welcome back to my channel. Well, Happy New Year guys. Man, what a crazy year 2020 has been. However, despite all the negativity, I've seen a lot of people take the negative and turn it into a positive. I've seen a lot of people making moves, and by making moves, I mean they started a side hustle, and I've seen a lot of side hustles become really successful and people are turning it into their full-time businesses right now. And the way they're doing this is all through social media. I mean, with social distancing, all you have to promote yourself is through the internet and social media. And that's what today's video is about. I'm going to go over how to build a business using social media step by step. Coming from someone who has built a successful real estate business earning 6 figures multiple years, I wanted to make a video to help you guys how to build a business using social media and how to scale it quickly. Before we do that, could you please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for the YouTube algorithm? And while we're at it, if you want, go ahead and follow me on all my other social platforms as well. All right, so step 1 is you need to create a brand. I know this video is about building a business, but really you don't want to focus on building a business, you want to focus on building a brand. This is honestly the hardest part about this whole entire process. When it comes to your brand or branding yourself, this is basically who you are, what you represent, and everything about you. Literally everything. By everything, I mean the kind of business you're in, the audience you're trying to reach, the kind of product or service you're putting out, and it even goes deeper to how, like, what kind of attention you want, or what kind of reputation you want, or in other words, what do you want to be known for? And don't worry about what you're creating now, because as you and your business grows, so will your brand. Over time, brands do that. They change over time, and that's completely okay. That's normal. So although step 1 might be very challenging, don't let that be the reason why you never start at all. So start with an idea that you're passionate about. If you're passionate about it, then it honestly should come naturally. All right, so you have your brand. Now it's time to get on social media and start building. But if you're like most people, sometimes you don't know where to begin. All right, so step 2 is pick your platform. You don't have to go crazy and do everything at once, because honestly, even though that's a good idea, you might be overwhelmed in the beginning. I get asked this all the time from new realtors who want to build a business from social media. They ask me, Jeremy, where do I start? What should I do? Which social media platform should I do? The honest answer is all of them. But that might be a little hard in the beginning. So the best advice is to start with at least 2 to 3 platforms. Whether you're a product business, meaning you're selling something, or you're a service business, like you're selling a service, like me, I'm selling my real estate services. You want to take your business and at least get on 2 to 3 social media platforms and build from there. 2 to 3 at the very, very least. My favorites are, of course, YouTube, and then there's Instagram, and then there's Facebook. I love all 3 of these. However, YouTube is a little hard to get started, so we're gonna focus on Facebook and Instagram. So why Facebook? Well, like most people, Facebook is where all of your close friends and family are. If you're going to promote or start a new business, what better way than to promote it to your close friends and family? It's because your friends and family are the people that want to support you. They're going to be your first customers. They want to see you succeed. And if your friends don't want to support you, then that kind of sucks. And honestly, you need new friends, and I can't help you there. Anyway, Instagram. Instagram has changed the way how we do business now. I've personally done so many real estate deals all because of Instagram. Whether it's friends or friends of friends, they've all found me on Instagram, and I was able to connect and become friends with them. On top of that, I'm able to stay in touch with my past clients, and eventually we're all friends. So clients into friends and my friends into clients. It's pretty awesome. Instagram is now your online business card. It's like your digital online resume. One quick scroll through your Instagram page and immediately someone knows all about who you are and what your life is about. Instagram is basically an extension of you. So be mindful of what you post. On Instagram, you want to post with intention and you want to post strategically. What do I mean by that? Well, that brings us to our next step. Step 3 is understand your audience. Make posts that are targeted towards your audience and people who you want your content to be seen by. So if you're selling a product, ask yourself, who is buying my product? Who do I want to buy my product? When you're posting on social media, ask yourself, who is going to be seeing your product? Who do I want my product to be seen by? For me, if I'm making real estate content, I'm not gonna target children because children can't buy or sell a house. If your products are for dogs, then you wouldn't want to target people who love cats now, right? Here's an example of a company with great branding and marketing who also happens to be my first sponsor. My friend Daniel is the founder of the brand Aclive, and they're based in Maui, and they're really doing a good job with their Instagram page and marketing. So immediately you can see right away what their brand is all about. I mean, I can see immediately that they are a clothing company, and it looks like they sell workout clothes and lifestyle apparel. And they also have other posts of captions that are very motivational, inspiring, and it shows me that their brand is all about doing what you love and being passionate about it. And then if you scroll to the top, you can see in their bio, their motto is "Passion never sleeps." I love all of this because it is very aligned with all of my personal beliefs, my ambition, my lifestyle, and I resonate 100% about passion never sleeps, and that you should be passionate about what you love. I love real estate, I love YouTube, I love helping people. So go check out their Instagram page, go check out their website. They have really nice products. They have a great message, and Daniel's really awesome. And they have really nice and comfy products just like this, what I'm wearing right now. This is a very cool, nice, very comfy hoodie. Shout out to Daniel. So go check them out. All right, so back to the video. Step 4 is social marketing. This accomplishes 2 things. So first, you're promoting your business and putting it out there. And then 2, you're doing really nice things for people. What do I mean by that? Okay, so let's say you're selling a service like a car wash detailing service. What you want to do is give a few car washes away for free to your friends and family, and in exchange have them to post about your car washing service or your detailing service on Instagram and Facebook and have them tag you. It's like a promotion shout out. This is great because it's free. Gary Vee mentions this all the time. You want to give, and then ask.
Give, and then ask. That's what I want to happen on social media for the people that are watching this video.
It's called leverage.
Giving and doing things in business without expectation of return from the other individual is probably the greatest leverage that you could ever deploy in your business life.
If you want to get real savvy with it, do the same technique, but ask like maybe an influencer or even someone with a lot of followers and friends. This is one of the quickest and most efficient ways to promote your business. All right, so step 5 is you want to network and build relationships. This is like the universal law of business. Most of the time, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know and who knows you. Your network is your net worth. So go out there in the world and meet new people, new customers, new audiences, maybe other, business owners, other brands. You never know what this could lead to. If you meet someone new and they really love your brand and they feel like your message and your brand really aligns with their beliefs, who knows, maybe you'll have like a lifelong die-hard supporter. If you meet another business owner, maybe that could lead to collaborations. Collaborations is another way to grow super quickly. I call this cross promotion. All right, step 6 is create quality content. Remember, social media is an extension of you. It's a reflection of your brand. If you are posting random things on your feed that has nothing to do with your brand or your business, then that's not good content. Like if you're gonna post about what you had for lunch today, then that really serves no purpose to you. Unless your brand or business has to do with food, or maybe like you're a foodie, for example. And even then, if you're posting stuff about food, like you're a foodie, you wanna post high quality, thoughtful content, and make sure you have a purpose for each post. When you post something, ask yourself, okay, what is my message that I'm trying to get across to my audience? So here's an example is my friend Diana. She's a foodie on Instagram. And she's super quick at building her page, and like the amount of followers and how she's grown so fast is crazy. So if you look at her feed, you can see that there's high quality pictures and great content. I mean, look at all that. It's so nice. Like, let's look at this, for example. So, see, look at that. It's very nice, high quality content. And if you look at her caption, there is a message to it. So, bonus, thirsty, they have an awesome promo right now with just $2 off any large drink. So right there, you can see that the point of this post or her message she's trying to get across to her audience is that she's trying to promote this restaurant's souffle pancakes, which I'm assuming her and that restaurant did a collaboration with, which is what I mentioned earlier, cross promotion. All right, so step 7 is that you want to have engagement. No, I'm not saying propose and marry all your supporters. What I mean by that is you want to talk to and connect with your supporters. When you start to grow your social media accounts, people are going to comment and message you, and what you want to do is reply back to them. You do this for 2 reasons. One is that it builds camaraderie and it builds a connection between you and your audience. It also shows that you have great customer service. If you build a business and you connect with your customers and you show that you have great customer service, a lot of people end up going to be repeat customers. Second is when you comment back on these posts, it's going to tell the almighty algorithm gods that this post has a lot of activity. So when it has a lot of activity, it's going to take your post and promote it and make it be seen by more people on Instagram, Facebook, etc., etc. It's a little complicated, but trust me, it works. So there you have it, guys. If you implement these steps into your own business or side hustle or whatever with your social media, I promise that you can build and scale your business very quickly. Yes, it is going to take trial and error, and you will mess up a couple times, but that's all a part of the process. It's figuring out what works and what doesn't work, and doing more of what works and doing less of what doesn't work. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you're into trading stocks and you want 4 free stocks, then go ahead, click the link below and make a WeBull account, deposit $100 and start trading, and you will get 4 free stocks. All of them could end up being $3,700 in value. Could be. So again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.